Alright everyone, we are here at Sparkle's Car Wash in Cedar City, quite a ways down from where I live, but we're going to check out their car wash. So here's their wash options. Pause if you would like to read. If you're curious why I'm down here, is because me and my family are traveling to Vegas to go to the car wash convention. So video of that should be coming out soon. Here's the pay station. There's your enter sign. There's your undercarriage wash. It appears that there was a system here before. I like this color pattern. Got green and yellow and then green again. Same thing on that side. Got a place where a treadle used to be. Got a nice little sign right there. And there's the onboard machine sign. It's the top brush. Really low hanging, so if you're tall enough you can get grazed with it from your head. Here's the front brush. Here's the dryers. And your timer. You got some vacuums back there. So yeah, now let's go through it. Alright, so we're not starting off strong because we can only use cash here. So it seems that the credit card reader isn't working. It gets quicker as it moves along. That's interesting. Oh. I've never seen a Freestyler program like this before. I forgot to show, but we had a lot of bugs on the front and whatnot, so we'll see if it gets that off. Nice. Wobbling all over the place. I like that it focuses on the wheels. Lots of soap came off the car, so that's a pretty big downside. But let's see if it got off the bugs. There's a lot on the windshield here, looks great. A lot on the grill, as you can imagine. Looks like it got all off. So overall, it's a good car wash. You got cooler in the front there, so now let's give it a rating. Okay, so how would you rate that wash?
I liked it. I would say 8 or 9 out of 10. I mean, the car is a whole lot cleaner.
Yeah.
It wasn't rough. I felt like they had quite a few passes, and the foam coverage was good.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I would say, 9, 8 out of 10.
The dryers were really good. The only downside I had was that it left a lot of soap, and the dryers blew it around. So I would say maybe a 7 or a 6.
Oh, okay.
But overall, I would recommend this car wash if you're in the Cedar City area. And the best part is, if you're really concerned about your paint job, there's a touchless option. You can't see it, but it's there. So, yeah, that's the Sparkles car wash. Oh, I just realized they have a pet wash.
Yes, and pet wash.
Awesome. So, yeah, that is the Sparkles car wash. I would say 6 or 7 out of 10. Pretty good car wash. So yeah, that is that. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.